Everybody, so I took my wife to this winery. This is a new winery. This is our first time at this one. So, but we became members because it's cracking here. Everybody's having a good time. It's a nice ambiance and scenery. There's the wife right here. We got our little goodie board. We got 2 bottles that's popped. They have a little blue lake right here where you can rent paddle boards and stuff like that. You know. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
How are you guys?
Good. Good, thank you. This is the wine vineyard. She's feeling herself. This is the last. In her cup right now is the last of the wine in her bottle. So that means
she's the last.
I mean, it is the last for the bottle. But look, this is a beautiful vineyard. Everybody's turning up. Everybody's drunk off that wine. Get it, man.
Oh, they stopped dancing.
Oh, these people were over here turning up though. There he goes, smooth like a motherfucker. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Turn that off. That's so stupid.
Got some new friends. Yeah. There's Steve. Go, Steve.
Something like a girl told me that a man that can dance might can possibly get down with the tunes, man. Now I'm
Are you not Steve? Well, my wife wanted to get on these paddle boats. And my fucking legs are sore already.
It's not hurting the balls are going in this way.
Alright, everybody, so we made it behind this little island thing right here. Doesn't it feel cool? So this is like a little lake, little man-made lake made in the middle of surrounding, it's like a vineyard. So there's wine, grapes all around us. But guess what, these legs right here?
Ooh, it ain't no joke.
Are about to be sore tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I can feel it in my ass too.
Me too. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry life is but a dream.